Oh God. Anyway, so हाँ तो okay, so it's time to go, I guess. So let's sing a goodbye song. Have you given reverb on my guitar in my NES? दो ना कमरे में बाथरूम में हर जगह reverb होता है यहाँ क्यों नहीं? It always has to be sweet, you know. However you make it sweet is your game, not mine. हाँ ये मर जाएंगे, हम तो लुट जाएंगे. हाँ ये मर जाएंगे, हम तो लुट जाएंगे. ऐसी बातें किया ना करो, आज जाने की जिद ना करो, आज जाने की जिद ना करो. वक्त की कैद में जिंदगी है मगर. जाने की बात है तो दुख भी हो रहा है, तो इसलिए गा रहा हूँ. वो वक्त की कैद में जिंदगी है मगर. चंद घड़ियां यही है जो आजाद है. चंद घड़ियां यही है जो आजाद है. इनको खो कर मरे जाने जा, उम्र भर ना तरसते रहो. आज जाने की जिद ना करो, आज जाने की जिद ना करो. आए हो आओगे, फोन पे बुलाओगे, शाम की तारे चाय लबों से यूं पिलाओगे. आए हो आओगे, दूर गले सताओगे, रूठ के सिरहाने में मोटे को छुपाओगे. तुझे क्यों आए हो आओगे, दूरियां मिटाओगे, थाम के जोश में होश से गाओगे. आए हो आओगे, झूठ से सुनाओगे, रूठ के सुहाने में मोटे को छुपाओगे. Thank you so much. That was really lovely. खूब भल लगे. बहुत शुक्रिया. अब जाने का टाइम भी हो गया. I think. Oh, we have one more song to live. Okay, Afsha. Okay, since we from Assam, we'll present you something from Assam, which people have been asking about. If you come to Assam, it's New Year in Assam in April. Okay, so you have to be in April in Assam only. Assam में बिहू है, पंजाब में बैसाखी है, बोईशाख बंगाल में है, विशु केरला में है. It's New Year's in India, many places. So please come to Assam in April, and this is how it goes, okay? The girls are trying to like sway the boys with their moves, and the boys are playing the drums, and that's the vibe. Oye belly bihuti roma ke zama oye na ha pupuli bo awada na fulogune bala hoye tote na oye gosogo bhangi jazota. Okay guys, people who don't know Bihu, see, you clap Bihu in a different way, not like one. Clap to the beat. Okay, you shouldn't. So you know, 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. It's 2 claps, not 1. It's not like 1 1. It's like 1 2. All right. Keep your hands there. Come on. Or if you don't want to clap, you can do this. The girls can do this. Right? Exactly. Pag Santa Mori honey mazuri ki mamba. Pag Santa Mori honey mazuri ki mamba. Oi palene sabi hi palene sabi madora da sira. Oi na suno lagi bo na suno lagi bo pa. Pag bo. Okay, so now we'll show you another move. The boys can do this. Guess some of the girls here who dance as well. Only 5 girls. No boys now yet. Get 5 girls here. We should show the dance moves. Okay, listen. मिलिए. Okay, this is how it goes, okay, guys? Guys, you can keep doing that. Make some noise for these beautiful girls. Now you have to say hoy, which is in Assamese. Yes, okay. Oh, mugai pat tuga kipa madane body no. So basically the guy is saying, my house is this side of the river, your house is that side of the river, and you say yes. In Assamese it's hoy. या yes बोल लीजिए, हाँ बोल लीजिए, कुछ बोल लीजिए, होय बोलेंगे तो अच्छा लगेगा, okay? और मुँह गए पर टू को खिपा माने बॉडी नोय. I think people at the back has more energy. आप लोगों में दम नहीं हो रहा है. All right, I need the audience mic there, wherever. और मुँह गए पर टू को खिपा माने बॉडी नोय. Wow, look at that. आप क्या कर रहे हो? दम ही नहीं है. One more time, guys at the back. Oh, mugai pat tuga kipan madana body no. All right, that's cool. So he's saying, if I was a bird, I'll fly to you. Oh, sorai hua hole. Hey, sorai hua hole. Hey, sorai hua hole. Wahole, uri golo hatan, aduate dubakilo modi go jagane na bahora, kili kili bengna modi go jagane na bahora, kili kili bengna pati modi go Thank you so much, guys. We are almost going to end the song now, but make some noise for Munu on keys, Himanshu on bass guitar, Tanmoy on drums, Kamlesh on percussions and tabla, Suraj on guitars, and Sandesh and Akshat on light and sound, Bacha on management, and I'm Papon, and thank you for bringing us here. Make some noise! Noise! Okay, we keep doing this. Let's do this again, okay? I'll divide the house into two tonight. So people on the right first time, hi. And the people on the left later, okay? Okay, here it goes. Switch off the audience mic for me. Can you pull on the wedges? I'm getting my in-ears off. Aap mat boliye. There's people on the right from here till the end, at the back, all on the right, okay? Okay, people on the left. I think left side is stronger tonight. Ye to aise ke. Guys on the right. Okay, one more chance. People on the right, let's see how loud you are, because people on the left were louder than you. The right side wale. Ready? Oh, mugai patuga kipa mare body no. Oh, that was loud. That was quite nice loud. सारा पीछे तक सब राइट साइड में जब एक साथ बोलिए हम मुंगा पटुगा खिपार मारे बॉडी नो सॉरी मैं बीच में खड़ा हो जाता हूँ सॉरी ओके राइट साइड अगेन हम मुंगा पटुगा खिपार मारे बॉडी नो नाउ लेफ्ट साइड ऑल द वे हम मुंगा पटुगा खिपार मारे बॉडी नो I think it goes to left side. That's alright, okay, last time, all of us together. BHU, thank you so much for the love. Please come to the Northeast. This was beautiful. I'm moving back to keep my mind body no. That's alright, that's alright, Urigo no hada, do a bad baki lemonzi, go the canera about you to stop together, come on, statue. I'm going to go to my body now. That's alright, that's alright, we go to head, do a dead baggy, Ganega sign, Ganega, I know about the hands of the Thank you so much. That was freaky and amazing. I lost my voice shouting. But thank you so much, BHU. Thank you so much for making this such a beautiful evening for us. Come.